Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to select the language of the app in the About You app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the About You app, and here it usually opens up in the shop menu where we can browse and find different kinds of articles. But from here we have to go into the account menu. In the bottom right corner, this little figure. Then at the top we find settings. If you tap on settings, then in the country and language portion we find language, and if we tap on this, then we can select English or Spanish. It's worth noting that language depends on the country you are from. So if we select let's say Hungary, the app is going to switch, and then we are going to have other options. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.